crunchy and sweet. B is for ball, let's bounce to the beat. Ooh! C is for cat, purring so loud, get a. D is for drum, let's play it proud. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun and free. Dance around and clap your hands. Let's explore the alphabet and P. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish.